हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में एक इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्जेशन। इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के थ्रू आप सीखोगे कि डेली लाइफ में हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस कैसे यूज करते हैं। और वीडियो में जो कॉन्वर्जेशन होगी उसकी वोकेबलरी साइड में स्क्रीन पर ही दिखाई देगी। इससे आपको वीडियो पॉज करके वर्ड सर्च करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
Hi Rohan, how are you today?
I am fine, Aman. I feel good. How do you feel?
I am also good. Today we talk about a story.
A story? Oh, nice. I like stories.
Yes, it is a simple story, but we use only present tense.
That is good. I learn English. And I enjoy the story also.
Okay, the story is about a boy. He lives in a small town with his parents.
Interesting. What does he do every day?
Every morning he wakes up early. He opens his window. He looks at the sky.
Wow. I also look at the sky in the morning. It feels fresh.
Yes, the boy feels fresh also. He starts his day with a smile. He brushes his teeth. He washes his face. And he drinks a glass of milk.
Good habits. Does he play also?
Yes, after breakfast, he plays cricket with his friends near his house.
That sounds fun. I play cricket every Sunday.
Yes, I play sometimes also. The boy enjoys cricket every morning. His mother cooks food for him. She makes paratha and vegetable curry.
Oh, paratha is tasty. I eat paratha also with curd.
Nice. His father reads the newspaper while mother cooks.
My father reads newspaper also. He drinks tea with it.
Yes, many fathers do that. The boy watches his parents and learns good habits. After breakfast, the boy goes to school on his bicycle. He carries his bag.
Does he go alone?
No, his two friends go with him. They ride bicycles together.
That is fun. I go to college with my friends also.
Yes, company makes the journey better. The boy enjoys the road with friends. Classroom, he sits in the first row. He listens to the teacher carefully.
That is a good habit. I listen to my teachers also.
He writes notes. He asks questions. And he helps his friends.
I like such students. They respect teachers and learn fast.
Yes, the boy is simple but smart. This is the beginning of his story.
Okay, Aman, I like this start. Please tell me more in the next part.
So, Rohan, after he enters the classroom, the teacher greets all students.
Do the students greet the teacher also?
Yes, they stand up and say, "Good morning, teacher."
That is a good habit. Respect makes the class better.
Yes, respect is very important. The teacher smiles and starts the lesson. The boy listens carefully. He writes everything in his notebook.
What subjects does he study?
He studies math, science, English, and Hindi.
Oh, I study these subjects also. I like math.
Really? The boy likes math also. He solves problems quickly. In the break time, he eats food from his lunchbox.
What does he eat?
He eats paratha and curry, sometimes fruits also.
Healthy food gives energy. I eat fruits every day.
Yes, the boy eats healthy food and drinks water. He feels active. After lunch, he plays games with friends in the playground.
Which games does he play?
He plays cricket, football, and sometimes kabaddi.
Wow, I play football every evening with my friends.
Nice. The boy enjoys running and playing. He laughs with his friends. After games, he goes back to class. He reads loudly and answers questions.
The boy sounds confident.
Yes, he is confident. The teacher appreciates him.
Appreciation gives motivation.
Exactly. The boy feels proud and studies more. Finally, the school ends at 3 o'clock. All students say goodbye.
How does he go home?
He takes his bicycle and rides with friends.
That is nice. They talk and laugh while going home.
Yes, they enjoy every moment. The boy loves his school life.
Okay, Aman. I am excited for the next part of the story.
So Rohan, after the boy reaches home, he keeps his bicycle near the door.
Does he meet his mother first?
Yes, he meets his mother and smiles. He says, "I am back."
That sounds sweet. What does his mother do then?
She gives him water. She asks about his day. The boy tells her about classes, about teachers, and about his friends.
Does he tell everything honestly?
Yes, he shares every detail. He tells about his games also.
Good. I share my day with my mother also.
Yes, talking makes the bond strong. After that, he eats some snacks. His mother gives him samosa or fruit.
Oh, samosa is my favorite. I eat samosa every Friday.
Haha, nice. The boy eats slowly. He enjoys every bite.
Does he drink tea?
No, he drinks milk or juice. After eating, he rests for a while. He lies on the bed.
Does he sleep in the afternoon?
Sometimes he takes a nap. Sometimes he just relaxes.
I also rest after lunch. Rest gives energy.
Yes, energy is important for the evening. In the evening, he does his homework. He sits at the study table.
Does he finish homework quickly?
Yes, he works fast but carefully. He writes neatly.
That is good. I complete my homework late sometimes.
Many students do that, but the boy is punctual. After homework, he goes outside again. He plays cricket in the park.
Does he meet the same friends?
Yes, the same friends come. They play together.
That sounds exciting. Playing after study is good.
Exactly. Play balances life. The boy enjoys both study and play. So Rohan, after playing in the park, the boy comes back home.
Does he feel tired?
Yes, he feels tired but happy. His face shines after playing.
That is true. After games, I feel tired also, but I feel fresh inside.
Yes, play gives health and happiness together. At home, he washes his hands and face. He drinks a glass of water.
Does his mother scold him if he comes late?
Sometimes, but mostly she smiles. She knows he enjoys playing.
Haha. Mothers always care. My mother says, come home early.
Yes, mothers love their children very much. After that, he sits with his father for a while. His father asks about homework.
And what does he say?
He says, Yes, Papa, I finished my homework already.
That is good. Fathers feel proud when children complete work.
Exactly. His father smiles and pats his head. Then the boy watches TV for some time. He likes cartoons.
Haha. Which cartoon does he watch?
He watches Chota Bheem and Doraemon.
Oh, nice. I watch Doraemon when I am free.
Yes, cartoons give laughter and relax the mind. After TV, the boy helps his mother. He brings water. He sets the table.
Oh, he helps at home also.
Yes, he helps always. His mother feels happy.
That is a good habit. I help my mother sometimes.
Helping parents is a duty. The boy understands this well. Finally, the family sits together for dinner. They eat and talk.
What do they eat at night?
They eat dal, roti, rice, and vegetables.
That is simple and healthy food.
Yes, simple food keeps the body strong. The family enjoys dinner together.
Family dinner makes everyone happy.
So Rohan, after dinner, the boy clears his plate and washes his hands.
Does he watch TV again?
No, he does not watch TV now. He sits with his family.
What do they do together?
They talk, they laugh, and they share small stories. His grandmother tells old stories. She talks about her childhood.
Oh, I love grandmother stories. They are full of wisdom.
Yes, the boy listens with big eyes. He enjoys every word.
That is sweet. I listen to my grandmother also.
Grandparents make family life beautiful. After some time, the boy goes to his room. He arranges his books for tomorrow.
Does he keep his uniform ready also?
Yes, he keeps his uniform neat and clean on the chair.
That is discipline. I do the same before exams.
Discipline makes life easy. The boy follows discipline daily. Before sleeping, he prays for a minute. He thanks God for the day.
Wow, that is a nice habit. Prayer gives peace.
Yes, he feels calm after prayer. His heart feels light.
I pray every night also. I feel happy after that.
Good habits create a good life. Now he lies on the bed. He closes his eyes slowly.
Does he sleep fast?
Yes, He sleeps quickly because he works hard and plays well.
True. Tired body sleeps easily.
Yes, his day ends with peace. His tomorrow starts again with energy. So, Rohan, this is the story of the boy. He studies, he plays, he helps, he respects.
Yes, I like this boy. He is simple, but he is a role model.
Exactly. The story teaches discipline, respect, and balance.
Thank you, Aman. I enjoyed the whole story.
Thank you, Rohan. I enjoy telling the story.
And I think our viewers enjoy this too.
Yes, they learn present simple tense and a good story together.